Hello everyone and welcome back. So in this video I'm going to talk about our homework system. Now we have a unique homework system, so please pay attention to this video, okay, because it's very important. So listen to my boring voice. Alright, now to begin with, we have two types of major homework categories: homework in Canvas and homework in WebAssign. Well, probably you all might have seen WebAssign homework assignments in previous courses. So let's talk about WebAssign homework later. Let's first talk about Canvas homework system, because Canvas homework system is the most important homework system in our course, unlike other courses, okay? Alright, so within Canvas per week there will be two types of homeworks that you need to do. Well, in Canvas you can find all these homeworks under modules, under course modules. So let me take you to the Canvas homepage. So you go to the Canvas homepage, you click the modules tab, and it will take you to the course modules, right? So in the course modules you can find per week two types of modules. Well, there's an exception. In the first week you have three modules, right? Because in the first week you have the course introduction module, so that's an exception. But otherwise, usually per week there will be two types of modules. So the two types are pre-lecture modules and post-lecture modules. So let's first talk about pre-lecture modules. Now if you look at the course modules here, you can see week 1 pre-lecture module. Now what is that? Well, inside pre-lecture module, you can find the tasks that you need to finish before each Tuesday class and Thursday class, because we meet every Tuesday and Thursday at 10 AM, right? So you have to finish those tasks inside the pre-lecture module before those classes. Alright? Now, if you look at the week 1 pre-lecture module, if you open it, oops, I forgot. First you have to download the note. Inside pre-lecture modules, you will be able to find the notes. So download the notes, okay? Well, it does not mean that you have to read them before the lecture. It's up to you. You can read them before the lecture or after lecture, okay? Alright, but just download the note and have it with you. Then, once you download the note, you have to watch a video. See, it's a small video, 14-minute video. Now once you watch the video, you do the Tuesday quiz. So that's what you should do to prepare for the Tuesday class. Watch a video and then take a quiz. Now if you're doing this to prepare for the Tuesday class, stop here, okay? Because rest of the tasks belong to the Thursday class. So do them either on Wednesday night or Thursday morning before the Thursday class. So my point here is that don't do the tasks that are due on Thursday morning on Tuesday morning, because it will confuse you. The Thursday pre-lecture material, quizzes or videos might depend on Tuesday lecture, so you don't want any confusion. So it's your responsibility to do the relevant quiz or to distinguish the tasks that should be done before Tuesday class and Thursday class, okay? So usually before each class you will watch a video and then do a one quiz. That's all. That's the only thing that you need to do, okay? These quizzes are small, you can do them really quick, multiple choice questions, and these quiz questions are from the video that you watched just before the quiz, okay? Alright, fantastic. Now what's the time commitment in this? Well, for whole pre-lecture module, that means to do both Tuesday and Thursday stuff, you only need a 1 hour maximum. Maximum 1 hour per week for pre-lecture module, okay? Alright, I hope that's clear. Fantastic. Now let's go to the post-lecture module. So inside the post-lecture module, you will find quizzes, post-lecture quizzes. So they are the tasks that you need to complete after you learn the course material from Tuesday and Thursday class, okay? So that's why we call them post-lecture quizzes. Now you can see there are several quizzes. These quizzes are small, by the way, okay? 4-question quiz, 2-question quiz, 3-question quiz, multiple choice questions inside these quizzes, okay? and there will be ton of help inside these quizzes. More about that in a later video. But anyway, now you might ask, why do we have several quizzes? Well, the idea here is that, well, let's take an example. Let's say you learn this big lesson called integration in this first week. Okay, then inside integration there are different subtopics that you learn in the first week. Integration by substitution, parts, basic integration, so subtopics. So there will be a quiz for each subtopic. Now the idea here is that in this way you will be able to focus on a small thing at a time, on a small subtopic at a time. Okay, alright, so by that way you have to do these quizzes. And these quizzes are due on Sunday night by 11 PM. They are not due in the middle of the week. So remember that also. Alright, now speaking about the quizzes. Well, since these quizzes are divided into subtopics, maybe you can do certain quizzes after the Tuesday lecture. And then you can finish the rest after the Thursday lecture. So that you don't have to wait until the end of the wait until the Sunday night, okay, the end of the weekend. So that's the best way, right? Try to finish these quizzes by Saturday or Friday. That's the best scenario. Now the other thing is, we have one weekly WebAssign homework, one WebAssign assignment due end of the each week. That's also due on Sunday. So 3 homeworks, okay? Pre-lecture module due on every Tuesday and Thursday. Post-lecture module due on Sunday, but ideally work on it in the middle of the week, and then one WebAssign homework on Sunday. Let me clarify about the WebAssign homework. I know, don't panic. It's not like WebAssign assignments that you saw in Calculus 2 or Calculus 1. WebAssign is not our primary homework system. Okay? You will have maximum 10 not so challenging questions in WebAssign per week. Maximum 10 questions, and then they should not be challenging. Okay? You will be easily able to complete the WebAssign homework. Okay? You should focus more on the post-lecture quizzes. Okay? Alright, now what's the time commitment in this? Well, for both post-lecture module and the WebAssign, for both, you should maximum spend 3 hours per week for both type of homeworks. Okay, so for pre-lecture module 1 hour, for both post-lecture and WebAssign 3 hours, so that's altogether 4 hours. 2 lecture hours on Tuesday and Thursday, so that's 6 hours for a 2-credit course. Okay, so that's the workload. Actually, for WebAssign and those post-lecture quizzes, it won't even take 3 hours. Okay, I mean, even some weeks you don't have a WebAssign assignment. We will announce that when we come to those certain weeks. But it's not the WebAssign homework that you had experienced before. So the homework workload is actually very small, okay? So you have to understand the quizzes are very small and the WebAssign homework is very small. Actually, the course modules, both pre-lecture and post-lecture quizzes, will count 10% from your final grade, while WebAssign will only count 5% from your final grade. So you can see the difference. Okay, so we need to focus more on the course modules, post-lecture quizzes and pre-lecture quizzes. Alright, I hope the system is clear to you now. Now in the next video, I will show you extra resources, extra help that you can get inside these post-lecture quizzes. And not only that, you have to register in WebAssign. So you have to learn about that as well. Well, let's talk about that in the next video, because I talk too much in this video. So I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.